This is perfect. I like it when the light's like this, because then there's no fighting to see anything, or having to. Yep. Sorry, squirrel.
Takeoff flaps. Timer cleared. Gear up, flaps up.
I can hear it.
It'll probably be okay. I just don't want to puff it any more than it already is. Just hanging. Still plenty fast at half. Hello, bird. It's still climbing at half. It's still gaining altitude. Not touching the throttle.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
See, not touching throttle. And it's still climbing. It's almost a speck.
Almost like the stock one.
Still just fine. I just moved it to full for a second there. Still sounds good.
Time remaining 1 minute.
Majority of that flight's been half though. He's looking for something, waiting for that squirrel to come back out. That's an aerobatic plane. He's following something.
30 seconds.
Yeah, it's still just a hair over half.
Probably just falling bugs. Yeah, I can kind of hear it.
It sags a little bit, but it's still not bad. Let me do. I'm not going to fly long. I just wanted to do a. Let me get a gear pass.
9.
Hello, birdie.
8. Gear down. 7.
I'm going to do a
6. 5.
gear pass around you, bird.
3, 2, 1. Time expired.
Now he's going away. Like, yeah, fuck it.
Landing flaps.
I was impressed. It was just everywhere in there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, and I see spotted something else.
They're birds of prey, so it's looking for something to eat.
Nice.
There's that buzz.
Flaps up.
Ah! Damn it! Turned too soon. Cool.
Oh, I can see the afternoon glowing.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to paint it on the inside, and I will. Anyway, that's it for me.